Hi there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Jay Makori. To my usual subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And to my new and about to subscribers, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. I've been getting a lot of comments in my inboxes, people telling me like they're trying to apply their red lippies, it's not popping out well. What is the secret and how to go about that? So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make your red lipstick pop, like, you know, it gives you that shouting red, that amazing red. So stay tuned and let's start it. Most of the time, actually, why you may apply a lipstick, like for example you bought a purple lipstick, a red lipstick, but you know, you see other people applying, the color looks so amazing, like it gives that exact color as the bottle. But when it comes to your case, like you try to apply the lipstick, the color doesn't pop. Most of the cases, usually maybe your lips are dark. If your lips are dark, trust me, they want to give you that amazing color or that popping color. So how to go about that? Like, don't worry, there is always a solution for everything. Take your beauty blender, put a little foundation, and you know, just place it on your lips and tap. That's how your lips should look like after applying the foundation. And make sure your foundation is matte. Then line your lips. For my case, I'm using a Davis number 3. Actually, this is an eye pencil. It's an eye pencil, but I like using it for my lips, like for lining my lips. After lining, blend in the lip liner. Don't forget this step, it is very important. Next, we're going to the lipstick, and I'm using Colourpop in the shade Ariba. Start applying like on top of the lip liner you did. When you're doing lipstick on your cupid bow, like you see there is always that V like shape. So when you're applying lipstick there, put that in mind. Like, always leave and make sure that V like shape is visible, it can be seen well. After applying lipstick on top of your lip liner, it will look like this. Now fill in the middle part. Take a very small angle brush and, you know, clean the areas you feel like the lipstick came out. When doing this, use a concealer. Next, take your highlighter and highlight your cupid bow area. That is it. Look at how that red lip is popping. So here is the secret to why your red lip is not just red, but any other lipstick that has color doesn't pop. So try this tutorial and let me know in the comment section how it was. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let's interact in the comment section. Bye bye, until next time.